Hello everyone. Our kidneys play a crucial role in the body's overall health, functioning as filters to remove waste and excess fluid. They are vital to keeping the body's internal environment balanced, ensuring that nutrients, electrolytes and fluids are regulated correctly. However, the kidneys can suffer damage over time due to factors such as poor diet, high blood pressure, diabetes, dehydration, and a sedentary lifestyle, leading to a condition known as chronic kidney disease, CKD. CKD is a progressive disease, often requiring medical treatment and lifestyle changes to manage. A key approach to maintaining kidney health is a healthy diet that supports kidney function and detoxification. This video explores the top 5 fruits that can help detox the kidneys and combat CKD by promoting better kidney function, reducing inflammation, and providing vital nutrients. Eating these fruits regularly, especially in the morning, will provide your body with essential antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration needed to maintain healthy kidneys. Watermelon, the hydrating detoxifier. Watermelon is one of the best fruits to promote kidney health, especially because it consists of more than 90% water. The high water content in watermelon makes it an excellent fruit for hydration, which is essential for kidney health. Hydration plays a crucial role in helping the kidneys flush out toxins and excess waste from the body. When the kidneys are well hydrated, they function more efficiently, and the risk of kidney stones and other kidney-related problems decreases significantly. In addition to being hydrating, watermelon contains an amino acid known as citrulline. Citrulline helps improve blood flow and promotes better kidney function by reducing the likelihood of kidney damage. It also has a protective effect against kidney damage, helping to maintain optimal kidney health. Watermelon's naturally occurring antioxidants, including lycopene, further support kidney function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants protect kidney cells from the harmful effects of free radicals, which can contribute to kidney deterioration. Watermelon's ability to detox the kidneys is also due to its mild diuretic properties. By encouraging frequent urination, watermelon helps in the removal of waste products from the body, keeping the kidneys free of excess toxins and reducing the burden on kidney function. Papaya, the digestive and kidney-boosting fruit. Papaya is another fruit that can be beneficial for kidney health. This tropical fruit is rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that plays a role in neutralizing free radicals in the body. By protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, vitamin C contributes to the overall health of the kidneys. Papaya also contains beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protects against kidney damage. Moreover, papaya is a rich source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes the removal of waste from the body. This is crucial for kidney health because it helps reduce the load on the kidneys by assisting in the elimination of waste and toxins. The enzyme papain, found in papaya, supports digestion by breaking down proteins in the digestive system, making it easier for the body to absorb nutrients and eliminate waste. The better the digestive system functions, the less work the kidneys have to do to filter out waste, which reduces their overall stress and promotes their longevity. Papaya's high water content also contributes to kidney health by helping with hydration and flushing out toxins, further supporting the kidneys in their detoxification processes. Apples, the perfect kidney cleanser. Apples are often praised for their health benefits, and when it comes to kidney health, they do not disappoint. Apples are high in fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which supports kidney health by promoting proper digestion and helping in the elimination of toxins. Soluble fiber binds to waste products in the body and helps remove them from the digestive system. This means that the kidneys do not have to work as hard to filter out toxins, making the kidneys' job easier. In addition to their fiber content, apples are rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which help protect the kidneys from damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals that can lead to kidney tissue damage and contribute to kidney disease. Apples also contain quercetin, a flavonoid that has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce kidney inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the key drivers of CKD, so reducing it can go a long way in preventing further kidney damage and supporting overall kidney function. Apples also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing kidney damage. High blood sugar can damage the kidneys over time, and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is key to managing and preventing CKD. The fiber and antioxidants found in apples contribute to this regulation, making apples an essential fruit for kidney health. Blueberries, the antioxidant-rich superfruit. Blueberries are renowned for their powerful antioxidant properties, which make them an excellent fruit for detoxifying and protecting the kidneys. They are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that has been shown to protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This is particularly important in preventing kidney diseases such as CKD, as oxidative stress accelerates kidney damage over time. In addition to their antioxidant content, blueberries are high in vitamins C and K, both of which support kidney health. Vitamin C is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals and protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Vitamin K plays a significant role in reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and preventing clotting, all of which contribute to better kidney health. Blueberries also help in reducing high blood pressure, a key risk factor for kidney disease. Hypertension puts strain on the kidneys and accelerates the progression of CKD. By incorporating blueberries into your diet, you can help lower blood pressure and reduce the stress on your kidneys, supporting their overall function. The fiber in blueberries also aids in digestion and waste elimination, helping to reduce the amount of waste that the kidneys must filter. This makes blueberries an excellent addition to any kidney health-focused diet, helping both to detoxify the body and protect the kidneys from long-term damage. Pomegranates, the kidney protective superfruit. Pomegranates have long been recognized for their health benefits, particularly for their ability to support kidney health. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, including tannins and flavonoids, which have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation, both of which are common contributors to the development and progression of CKD. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can help improve kidney function by reducing oxidative stress and preventing damage to kidney tissues. Regular consumption of pomegranate may also help lower blood pressure, another important factor in maintaining kidney health. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for CKD, as it can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, making it difficult for them to filter waste effectively. Pomegranates also have a mild diuretic effect, which helps increase urine output and flush out toxins and waste from the body. This supports kidney detoxification and reduces the risk of kidney stones, a common issue for people with kidney problems. The antioxidants in pomegranates also promote healthy circulation, ensuring that the kidneys receive an adequate blood supply to function properly. Pomegranate seeds are also rich in fiber, which helps with digestion and the elimination of waste from the body, further supporting kidney function. By incorporating pomegranates into your diet, you can help protect your kidneys from damage, reduce the risk of kidney stones, and promote overall kidney health. Maintaining healthy kidneys is crucial for overall well-being, and adopting a diet rich in kidney-supporting fruits can go a long way in supporting kidney function and preventing CKD. The 5 fruits discussed, watermelon, papaya, apples, blueberries, and pomegranates, each offer unique benefits that help detoxify the kidneys, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative damage. These fruits are rich in essential vitamins, antioxidants, fiber, and hydration. all of which support the kidney's natural detoxification processes and help improve kidney function. Incorporating these fruits into your morning routine is a simple yet effective way to boost kidney health and support overall wellness. By eating a variety of these fruits regularly, you are providing your kidneys with the nutrients they need to function optimally and protect against the development of CKD. Whether enjoyed on their own, blended into smoothies, or added to fruit salads, these fruits offer a delicious and nutritious way to support your kidneys and promote long-term health.